Good afternoon. What's good? This is Q, the producer, on behalf of a brand new company called DarkMatterSoundKits.com. Now, if you haven't heard of them, you will. It's a really dope company. First things first is they do all of their packs limited. It's a limited capacity for every single one. And once that capacity is reached, they'll never put those kits out again. They don't resell them. You won't see them ever again. So the only people that will have access to those packs are the people that brought them and got in before they reached that capacity. Secondly, on top of that, they're 100% royalty free. So that means even if you get placements with Lil Baby, Gucci, whatever, like you're good to go. You don't got to worry about giving them anything. You don't owe anybody anything. That's your money to collect. Then on top of that, man, you get lifetime free updates. So with that one purchase, you got your kit. Say that you wish you had a little bit more a little bit more snares, some kicks, something like that to add. You can actually make recommendations to the company. Then the company will go ahead and get it done and then update that pack for free. So that means their packs are ever expanding. They grow with you based off of what you guys recommend. It's really dope. And then I just want to take this opportunity to actually preview a melody that is going to be in the Stratosphere pack. So yeah, I'm gonna just play around with a melody until we find something that we go off of. I want to take this opportunity to show another kit again that DarkMatterSoundKits.com has. I went to their Troposphere presets and they have a bunch of like FL presets and stuff like that. You see here that they got a bunch of Omnisphere presets, and I know one of the things that I recommended was them adding like some RC20 and Portal presets, so they should be adding those pretty soon as well. And again, once you purchase, you still get those updates completely free once they add stuff on. Which they're doing all the time, is pretty frequently, so that's dope. So all I did here was take the piano, let you guys hear with no effects on it. So of course you're starting off with like good sounds. It already sounds good, but the piano preset that they have here adds a little extra sauce. So here's with the preset. Oh, that's dope. Again, just drag and dropped it in, brought up the volume a little bit, and that's literally about it. That's all I did to the preset. Sounds really good by itself. So same thing as I did the same thing to the guitar. So for you guys to hear that, I'll just solo that out, and then I'll let you hear it with no preset. So it already sounds good as it is, but you guys got to get used to just finding good sounds, working with good sounds, things that already sound good, and then a little preset like this or something makes a huge difference. So here's with the preset. That's beautiful. And then same thing I did. I just kept going down the line. They have it here. Why not use it? Really makes a difference to a workflow and increasing it. I know I work really slow a lot of times myself, so something like this is just really dope. So we have these vocals. That's again a preset. I'm gonna just go down the line, play. And these were like the arcade vocals that we had. So, sounds good, but still really dry. Um, Here's with the effects. Really puts it in the background, creates a vibe, an atmosphere. And then all together. So here's the beat. They sound good just like it is. Like legit, just a rough little mix down, just leveling it out. Didn't even mix anything, just real rough, right? Drag some vocals in here. I'll let you hear the vocals dry with the beat. So dry, and again, these presets are from another, again, darkmattersoundkits.com. They're thermosphere vocal templates. So literally like 18 vocal templates or whatever. You go in, everything. They got ad libs and main vocals and everything like that too. So I literally just dragged and dropped their Playboy vocals, the main and the ad lib vocals, right on top of these vocals, right? So dry sounds like this. And then I know some of you talk about me changing out the 808. All I did was switch out the 808 that I had before. I forgot which one I had before, but I switched it out for their what is it called? Their Origin 808. Origin Spins 808. Literally all I did. So that's this. Legit. So dry vocals with dry vocals in the beat is.
So for that party, baby, I just wanna take you out tonight, yeah. I don't wanna let her on my side, yeah. I just wanna keep you in my bed, my bed, yeah. Hey, in my bed, in my bed, in my bed, in my bed. Yeah, it's a lost cause, it's an all night.
So with the effects, same thing for the ad lib vocals with the effects, right? Change the whole thing, and I'm gonna just play it from the top and let y'all hear it through. Not gonna do too much more talking.
So for that party, baby, I just wanna take you out tonight, yeah. I don't wanna let her on my side, yeah. I just wanna keep you in my bed, my bed, yeah. Hey, in my bed, in my bed, in my bed, in my bed. Yeah, it's a lost cause, it's a all night, it's a call me.